Yeah.
I really should have painted that because it's in the bow housing.
It's in the back, yeah.
I cleaned all your bolts so they all look the same.
Man, I appreciate that.
It's gonna be a cool cam chase. It'll be cool.
Yeah, okay. Damn, that's a behemoth.
$10,000 block, just the block.
That's the one you were talking about. These are some big ass heads. This is my head right here, and that's this. That's crazy. Preliminary build sheet going on. YouTube, what it do, baby? We back. Y'all see where we at? The machine shop with it. I rode in on that Jigsaw motherfucker. We going in to get an update on the motor. I believe. Let me go inside first. How you doing? Man, it's a long day.
Yeah, I'm talking dirty.
All right, nah, good to see you.
I left this thing open so if you go into the video.
Yeah, that's perfect. I got it rolling now.
For you because I put one head on, but I left the other side open.
Oh man, lovely.
I left everything open.
I appreciate that. All right, so we got knock sensors, cameras in there too.
Oh yeah, time and chain. Hey, I'm rolling.
All right, so we almost complete, really.
We're getting there. We're close. Yeah.
Cause so we got.
Well, I gotta put the other head on there, and then I gotta do the valve train. You know, I gotta do. We gotta get some. I don't know if you're gonna get roller rockers or what are you gonna do on that.
I think he's
or rocker arms. I mean, not really roller rockers, but or if we're just gonna put trunnions in these.
He said we're gonna do trunnions in those.
Yeah, so we'll just do that.
Okay. Cause yeah, this thing's looking good.
Yeah, thing's nice, man. It turned out really nice. I like it.
Yeah, damn.
It's looking good, bro. We got the back cover painted. Everything's nice and clean.
Yeah.
I really shouldn't have painted that because it's in the bow housing.
It's in the back, yeah.
But I cleaned all your bolts with it, all look the same.
Man, I appreciate that. It's looking good for sure.
Yeah. Clocked in your, I mean, everything looks good on it.
Yeah, man.
I'm liking it. You know, like I said, I got all your other stuff. I don't know if you saw, I guess, all the other stuff right here.
Okay.
I got your
valley
covers, a valley.
Okay.
Of course, I didn't paint these are black.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, and your balancer.
Oh, the balancer looks good. Appreciate that.
Yeah, that thing's pretty rough. That's all right. I think blasted.
Yeah.
Clean all your push rods, but we might not be using these anyway. Just sometimes you have to go with a different length. But
okay, got you. Because of the cam.
But we'll see. Some
okay.
of them do, some of them don't. Like this one actually went with the stock. This 6.2 I built right here actually has. It's got a pretty hefty cam in it, and I wind up using the stock push rod.
Oh, that's the 6.2 with the. I think my next build, I'm gonna go with a carburetor. Yeah. Yeah. And you don't have to worry. I mean, you put an MSD box on it and it's done.
That's it.
That's it.
We changed the fuel system a little bit on it.
Oh yeah. Because the fuel system, you can do a fuel like one of those mechanical pumps.
Step it down, probably.
Exactly. Yeah, because you only need 10 pounds.
Yeah, you don't need
if
much.
that. Yeah.
Probably not even that much.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's gonna be cool.
This looks like a cool build.
Yeah, yours and his are pretty close. I like them. They look nice.
But I really like these valve covers right here. The coil packs are inside of here, right? Oh.
No, they're just taller for the rocker arms.
Oh.
Taller than factory.
So the coils are gonna go on top of that?
Yeah, I don't know how that works on these. I don't know. These are a different kind of let me see. Yeah, they get them right here.
Oh, on the top,
they
yeah.
Got brackets that'll probably do them right here in the front and sides.
Because I've seen the ones where you can put it on top and hide the coil packs inside of here, and it'll say like Chevrolet or something on it.
I've never seen anything like that. Probably being there on the coil pack, I wouldn't want to have them in here anyway because of the heat.
Oh.
Might give you some problems with the coils.
So leave it out.
I would leave it. Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna leave it out.
Yeah,
all right, cool.
But yeah, man, I'm really proud of it. It's turning out really good.
It looks good, man. This thing looks way better.
Just because I need to be back. So
I appreciate that.
Put both heads on them, trying to get this thing, try to move them out of here. But
yeah, listen, man.
But I'm rolling.
Yeah, whenever you're ready, I'm ready.
Well, I'm working on. I was working on these three, and then I'm doing machine work.
Okay. Yeah, I got you. So we're gonna put
I'm liking it.
I'm really excited about this cam, man. We went with a I went from the stock to
a pro stock. I got the cam. All the numbers are in your file. But,
okay, yeah.
But yeah, it's gonna be a cool little cam shaft. It'll be cool.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, it was all in there. But
okay, got the new head
gas bolt for your balancer.
Nice.
I'm gonna put this stuff back in there. If you want to change it, you can. But yeah, I got you like the cam sensors and the crank sensor. The crank sensor's over here. This long one.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put them in there, and if you decide you want to change them, change them. But,
okay.
You know,
Yeah, okay.
But I'm
Yeah,
gonna
these
put it
are
all
stock,
back,
man.
and I got the front pieces. I'll put your IC those plate guns on there.
Fantastic,
Yeah, it's
man.
really good, man.
I'm
And I took
excited.
this, and we got you a 2-piece timing chain. So this reason why I do these because this piece comes out because a lot of them are like the gears are in one piece.
Yeah, yeah.
So with this being off, I clocked your oil pump in there.
Yeah.
And we got this tool right here, and I put this in there. And
Yeah.
Instead of this, and put it right in your oil pump. Put oil just like I did this one.
Oh.
Prime it.
Oh, you can prime it
Yeah,
that
I'm gonna
way.
prime it. That's the reason why we started doing these.
Nice. Okay.
The LSs aren't the easiest thing to prime, so.
Now let me ask you.
With this, you can.
So when you prime it, that means that when I get it, it's gonna be oil in it, right?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and I've already filtered oil all the way through the motor, and I'll wait till they come out the rock arms at the top.
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
Yeah, so I just prime the motor all the way up.
So I won't even have to do.
And being your clearances, you probably run like a 1040 instead of a 530, kind of like this one.
Mm-hmm.
'Cause I put a little bit bigger clearances on the mains and rods, just because the stock ones are so tight.
Yeah.
I mean, they're tight.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So you got like 2.5 thousandths on each one, so I mean it'd be just perfect.
Okay, gotcha. 1040. All right. So yeah, I'm just gonna get with Mike and get like a build sheet for the YouTube so they can see what's going on.
We can probably get one made up. Start running.
Okay. But yeah, I'm excited, man. Whenever y'all ready, man.
Yeah, I put the bottom end get together today, and I got some LS7 lifters in here, and put got the trays in, got everything buttoned up in the front, and all, got the oil pan on it. So.
Love it.
And I put the one head on. I said, you know what, I'm gonna leave this other head off just because I need to be by. So
Man.
I can see the pistons and all.
Yeah, I'm
Took some
excited.
pictures just in case, but I was like, oh, he'll come by.
Yeah, man. I was trying to get up here yesterday, but it's so tight.
Oh, I know, I got you.
Get up here today, man.
So I just wanted you to see it while it was open.
Yeah. Okay. With these things right here, right? Do I
Put
need
new
to get?
gaskets on them too. I got
You did?
Yeah, I got a new gasket on it too.
Okay.
You have a crossover tube in the front.
Yeah.
It's in here.
Do I need to do a crossover, or can I block off the front too?
You know, I don't really know the purpose of this thing. I think this has got to do something with your water pump and all. I think this goes to somewhere in your water pump. I don't know. I haven't put many of these in cars. I've built a lot of them.
Yeah.
But I think this goes to like your water pump.
It does. Yeah.
Or something of that nature.
It does. It's the
So-
overflow, like when you have bubbles and stuff.
Right. So I would probably just leave, it ain't hurt anything. Just leave it on there. So
Okay.
I can. I'm not gonna paint it too. Maybe.
Okay.
Or maybe polish it where it be silver anyway.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
But yeah, I got all new gaskets to put up in between here and here. So
Okay.
I already put one in this one.
Love that.
It comes
Okay.
It comes in a kit, so I put everything in there that I can. And the knock sensors, I got your oil pressure.
Oh yeah, my oil pressure.
I
Yeah.
put it back here. I put it on.
I'm gonna. I put
kinda
this in a
wait.
Monte Carlo, and I got stock gauges operating.
Right.
So stock oil pressure, stock temperature,
Yeah,
everything.
it'll be fine. Yeah, that'd be good. These knock sensors, we'll put I hate these. I like the newer ones because they're on the side of the block.
Oh yeah.
My wives are bad in their Escalades.
Yeah.
So I got to pull the intake off
No.
the valley just to get to these because you
Damn.
can't get to them. So that's the only thing I hate about these things. And I got GM ones in there now, but I bought some new ones, but I just ain't mess with it.
Wow.
Her birthday ain't till August, but yeah, I hate the design of that. I don't know why they would put them down there, but it is what it is.
Yeah, man.
You know. They're such good motors, though. Man, these motors you can't hardly tear them.
Yeah, and I mean after the rebuild right now, I'm gonna have this thing forever, man.
Oh yeah. Well, I got one sitting out there. My Saab back here has got 320,000 miles on it.
What?
It's the original 5.3.
Original, like you didn't rebuild it? It's the original from. That's crazy. So all you have to do is keep up with the oil changes and maintenance and
I
stuff.
change more.
Yeah.
Yeah, I change the oil.
How often do you change the oil? 5,000?
It depends. Sometimes between 3 and 5.
Between 3 and 5.
I use a partially a synthetic, synthetic
Yeah.
blend kind of deal.
Synthetic
Yeah.
going in here?
You don't have to. Yeah, but what we prime it with is it is.
Is it synthetic? I'll keep
You
it
got all the
synthetic.
springs. You got all the see springs coming in there. Look all pretty.
Yeah, that's dope.
Everything's good to go.
That's dope, man.
Yeah.
I can't wait to have it back. I got
I bet you are, man. It'd be fun.
yeah, I got the engine bay waiting for it.
I got you. But I've been working on it. I've been trying to get it done.
Okay. So what do you think maybe the ETA will be?
If I don't get held up, I wouldn't see no reason why you wouldn't be done by the end of next week.
Okay.
Maybe. know why I wouldn't, but I've just got so many things going on. I got a
Going
AC
on.
behind you I'm building.
Yeah, I saw that, yeah.
And then I got that 757 cubic inch.
Damn, that's a behemoth.
$10,000 block, just the block.
That's the one you were talking about.
Yep, there's the heads right there. They're $12,000. And they're just bare heads. They ain't even got no valves or nothing. $12,000.
These are some big ass heads.
Yeah.
This is my head right here. And that's this. That's crazy. Damn.
The crank's in here and it's polished. It looks like a mirror. And it's about $7 grand for the crank.
Damn. What is he racing this thing?
Well, I mean, yeah, he's gonna race it, but it's going in a street car.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
That's just overly built.
Yeah, it got a huge cam in it, going almost 1,000 lift emissions.
Oh my God.
But you know, it'll be something we want, man.
Yeah. I'm gonna bring y'all back when we get to the build sheet. I want to see the numbers on the cam, so y'all stay tuned. All right, last bit. We just got a little bit of a preliminary build sheet going on. They're gonna get me a hold on, let me turn this thing around.
We got no rain for like in the foreseen future.
That's good. Yeah. It's been raining crazy.
All like this weekend 70s.
Yeah, I need that.
All next week.
I need that.
Except for one day's a little cooler.
Yeah.
But it's,
I need that. Cause I'm gonna drop this thing in and get the rolling.
we'll have some good weather here.
Yeah.
So with the good weather we do.
I know I asked you this, but when you get some time, man, if you know some tuners, because I know I'm gonna have to tune this thing. It's not gonna idle with that cam swap. It don't have to be right now, but just putting it on you.
I'll when you call me Monday to put a bug in my ear, because I'm gonna be on reset.
I got you.
I'll about to leave here in a minute.
Yep. Everything. I know
exists.
it. I know it.
I have a talent. I can turn it off.
I got you. Talent, right?
But I just go home and go in my shop and work at home.
Yeah, I do the same thing. I'm always
to get my
working.
race car ready because I'm like
This close?
that close to going to the track. So, but yeah, just call me.
I'll call you Monday.
Remind me to.
What's a good time? Because I know lunchtime is midday. You want early morning or late afternoon or what? Because I know you're probably rolling
11,
around.
11, 12 o'clock. We don't eat lunch till 2, 3 o'clock.
Okay, good. All right. So 11,
By
12.
the time we get you kind of get in the mode working, and by the time you realize that your stomach's eating,
Yeah.
you know, eating itself,
Yeah.
it's 3 o'clock.
Okay.
So we usually don't eat till. If we eat early, it's 2 o'clock.
Yeah. I can call you between 11 and 12. Just remind you.
Yeah, 11,
That's
11,
good.
12 o'clock will be fine. Put a bug in my ear.
So Trunnion update and then
Trunnion and the build sheet.
got it. I can do that.
Yeah.
All right, so we will be back on Monday. Y'all stay tuned.
J King and the bitch and it's strictly business. I'm a property owner, ain't been a tenant. Got racks on me like I'm playing tennis. Dropped a couple off when I went to the dentist. Invisalign, straight on these hoes. Flooded my whole bottom row. My diamond look 3D, a whole lot of VVVVs on me. This shit out of control.